Let's get into these 9 Bible verses that can help strengthen you in your health journey. For strength and endurance. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13. When you feel weak, whether it's resisting cravings, staying committed to a workout, or overcoming discouragement, lean on Christ for strength. No discipline seems pleasant at the time, but painful. Later on, however, it produces a harvest of righteousness and peace for those who have been trained by it. Hebrews 12:11. Stay consistent in your workouts, meal planning, and mindset, knowing that the reward will be long-term health and peace. But those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. They will soar on wings like eagles. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint. Isaiah 40:31. When you're tired, frustrated, or feeling like giving up, remember that God will renew your strength. Self-control and discipline. So whether you eat or drink or whatever you do it all for the glory of God. 1 Corinthians 10:31. View your health choices as a way to honor God. Every meal, workout, and act of self-care can be a form of worship. Like a city whose walls are broken through is a person who lacks self-control. Proverbs 25:28. Self-control is a spiritual discipline. Without it, we are vulnerable to unhealthy habits. Strengthen your walls by setting boundaries around food, exercise, and rest. But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, forbearance, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. Galatians 5 verse 22-23. Self-control is a fruit of the Spirit. Pray for God to cultivate this in your health journey so that discipline feels like an act of love rather than restriction. Overcoming temptation. I discipline my body like an athlete, training it to do what it should. 1 Corinthians 9:27. Treat your body like an athlete does. Fuel it well, move it often, and train it with purpose. Your body is a temple, and caring for it takes intentional effort. Jesus answered, "Man shall not live on bread alone, but on every word that comes from the mouth of God." Matthew 4:4. Your physical health is important, but so is your spiritual nourishment. Don't just feed your body, feed your soul with God's word daily. Blessed is the one who perseveres under trial, because having stood the test, that person will receive the crown of life that the Lord has promised to those who love him. James 1:12. Your health journey will have challenges. Stay the course, knowing that perseverance builds character and brings both earthly and eternal rewards. Let these Bible verses take root in your heart. Meditate on them, embrace their truth, and allow them to strengthen you. Trust in God. Pursue balance, and remember, every small step you take is part of His greater plan for your well-being.